to love the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, tires, rear all-season, fog lamps, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, rear-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.